Want to buy chess tickets in Squad Busters but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to buy chess tickets using coins in Squad Busters. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the shop which is on the left side of your screen. Then tap on deals which is at the bottom of your screen. Here you can see chess tickets. You can buy one chess ticket using 2000 coins. Select any one offer. Now tap on 2000 coin button. And that's how you can buy chess tickets using coins in Squad Busters. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.